I want to film the backside of my train layout, and we're starting with this industrial building and church, and there's a resort lodge right there, another factory. Backside of those houses previously seen, plus this gas station, the tanker there, and the Coca-Cola delivery truck, the bridges over the river, a train going to a shuttle terminal. And here's the residential area previously shown. There's a railroad station there. And this grouping of houses. The bluff along the river. 3 bridges crossing that river, railroad bridge, and 2 railroad bridges and a highway bridge, plus a boat, pleasure boat right there, another house on a bluff, fishermen fishing in the waters. Here comes that train again. There's 2 bridges here too, plus a police patrol boat. More rock cliffs. So this is the backside of my train layout. Thanks for viewing.